Be blessed by the divine. Life after ordinary natural death. Now let us discuss the state of life after death. Death may be of three general types: ordinary death due to prolonged illness or old age, premature death by murder, suicide, or accident, death after the perfection and purification of the soul in self realization. The first type of death occurs when the body is no longer useful for the functions of the soul. Wherever there is prolonged disease, a short circuit of biomagnetism for a long time or over a large area, an exhaustion of life energy occurs. In addition, in old age, the body cells are not able to produce sexual vital fluid in sufficient quantity, and thereby the quantity of life force particles is greatly reduced. When the intensity of biomagnetism is so reduced, the life force is unable to circulate in the body evenly and properly. The remaining life force particles gather and gradually settle in the sexual gland. This causes the sexual gland to become overheated from the accumulation of excess energy, and it short circuits. The nerves of the sexual gland become damaged, and the major portion of the sexual vital fluid is excreted via the sexual organ. As a result, the life energy for which the sexual vital fluid was the container leaves the body and death occurs. In this kind of natural death, the intensity of the association of the energy particles is less than normal. This is because of the exhaustion of energy which occurs due to disease or old age. It is normal for such disembodied souls to merge with individuals of hereditary link, such as son, daughter, or grandchild. This is accomplished by these individuals' invocation in a ritual or ceremony before cremation or burial of the dead body. Just after death, before the disposal of the body, the soul is likely to linger very near to the body which was its habitual residence. At that time, voluntary invocation is very easy and effective because of the moist ectoplasmic coating on the life force particles obtained during the embodiment of the soul. Just after death, this coating is still sufficiently moisturizing the life force particles. This makes it easy for the soul to enter and function in a suitable nearby body, that is, the invoker. The specific character of the energy particle will be very suitable to the living souls of hereditary linkage. This is because the imprints of the karmas of the deceased and the blood relations are very similar. Of course, the progeny's karmas after the 12th year of life are different from the parents'. But this difference is insignificant when we compare the soul's ancestry, which shares the same evolutionary history over millions of years. If such voluntary invocation by kin is not possible, the next best method is the distribution of the soul particles among friends, who voluntarily invoke the energy by a group prayer ritual. What must be emphasized is that in order for this to be effective, the invocation and prayer should be done before cremation and burial. Otherwise, the disembodied soul might become attached to another person of like character, or it will disintegrate over a period of time and become absorbed into the atmosphere. The next video is on life after violent death. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit simplifiedkundaliniyoga.com. Start your journey of consciousness today. Be blessed by the divine.